Hi guys, welcome back to Life with YouTube channel. So as we have discussed many topics matrices, once revise them and discuss once again to better clarify. Okay. So in matrices, and today one of the important thing is I am going to teach you some of the tricks in matrices to find the solutions easily. Okay. So in matrices till now we have discussed the topics, and first of all we have learned introduction, and then we went to order of the matrices, right? Introduction, just we learnt about James Sylvester and Arthur Coyle, right? And Arthur Coyle is known as father of matrices, right? Just in introduction we learn them. And matrices is an rectangular array, and it will be closed by brackets, and the numbers or symbols or expressions that are consisting in the matrices are called as elements. So we learned so and so, right? So and next we discussed about order, like 1 into 3, 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, so on. And then we learned about types of matrices, right? In types of matrices we learned about square matrix, rectangular matrix. If number of rows is equal to number of columns, then square. If it is not equal, then rectangular matrix. As well as like diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, null matrix, identity matrix. Null matrix is nothing but all the zeros. Identity matrix, only the diagonal elements should be 1. And scalar matrix, all other zeros, and it consists of one number equals scalar matrix. As well as lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, right? So these are the types of matrices. And next we learned about transpose. Just interchanging of rows into columns and columns into rows is called transpose, right? And then we learned a trace. Trace is nothing but the adding of the diagonal elements is called as trace, right? Adding of sum of, okay. And next we learned addition of matrices, right? Just we need to add respective elements of two matrices in which the order is same, right? That is the addition of matrices. Subtraction of matrices, just same like addition, but we are doing subtraction of same order of matrices. And then multiplication, right? And then multiplication, from here to here, the things which we have discussed, only the multiplication is somewhat hard to you, right? Somewhat little bit, right? You may be confusion in row into column or column into row, and which we need to add, which we need to subtract, right? So make it as a start. And next we have discussed, after the addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have discussed determinant, right? Determinant is also easy, but some can think in symbols, right? Plus, minus. So once again we can discuss this, make it as a star mark. And we have discussed next minors. It easily we can find that, and cofactors. And then we learned adjoint. If you know adjoint, we can learn inverse, right? So inverse is a very complex method to do, right? So make it as a star mark. If you know inverse, you'll get to know adjoint. Okay. So by this, I came to know that the multiplication and determinant and inverse, many students are confusing there. So I want to learn you some of the important tricks that you can find easily the answers of multiplication and determinant and inverse in 60 seconds. Okay, so let's discuss them. I think so everyone is understanding what I am teaching now. Just wait a minute. multiplication and the determinant and inverse are the problems in where you will confuse, right? So let's discuss some of the shortcuts. So first of all, I'll learn you multiplication, okay? Multiplication, okay? So easy method, write it as a shortcut, right? Shortcut, you won't confuse at all. Just you need to, I think you will do all with mind problems. You'll do the problems in maths like with by keeping mind and by stressing you will do, right? So now it's no need to do like that. Just keep your mind calm and silent and pleasant, then you can understand everything in the world, okay? So now in multiplication, for example, the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? This is the matrix A, this is the matrix B. 1, 2, 3, 4 of matrix A and 5, 6, 7, 8 of matrix B, okay? So, therefore, the matrix AB, okay, AB will be, okay, are you understanding? I think you are able to understand. Just keep your heart, then you can understand everything. So, first of all, here in A, it's 1, 2. Just write here 1, here 2. The same 1, 2, okay. Till here you have understood, I think so, okay. And then here you have 3, 4. Just write under them 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay? Are you getting? And then here you have 5, 7, right? 5, 7. Just write beside them 5, 7 with the little gap. 5, sorry. Okay? 5, 7 and just write under them 5, 7. And next we have 6, 8. Just write beside them 6, 8, 6, 8. Once again I am repeating for you. First of all, we have taken it two matrices. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the matrix A, B will be here. First I have written the the first row elements of A. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 3, 4. Here, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay? Are you getting this? Again, 5, 7. I'm here as a row, I'm writing as a row, here also row. But I'm taking here a column and I'm writing in a row. Okay? Row, 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 row like that. Okay? Just keep it in mind. 6, 8. I'm taking column and I'm writing as a row. So, till here you have understood, I think so. Next, the step is just inserting the symbols in it. Then you'll get absolute answer. Okay. So, here, between 1 and 5, you need to keep into. And 2 into 7 into. Or just a dot. That is nothing but multiplication. Just between them, insert a multiplication. Now, just keep here plus. Okay. By this, the matrix will be, the resultant matrix AB will be 5 ones, 5. 5 plus 14. Come on, 7 is 14. No, 14 plus 5. 19. 6 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 22. Right? 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 15. 28 plus 15 is 43. Right? And then here 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 8 4 is 32. It's nothing but 50. Therefore, AB is this matrix. 19, 22, 43, 50. Just for your clarity, once again I am teaching you, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the matrix AB will be, first of all, I have written 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, right? 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 6, 8. And then just I inserted into in all of them and plus in all of them. And just I did calculate then I got the answer. Okay. So now let's go to how to find determinant. Okay, now let's discuss determinant. So how to find determinant? Let's take an example. Let A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 1. Okay. This is the matrix A. Now you need to find determinant of A. Okay. So the determinant of A will be, however, as I said, you'll find taking 1 plus minus plus. Maybe some people may have some doubts in that or some confusion in that. So further, I have taken one of the trick for easiness. Okay. So the trick is just keep hard, then you can understand everything. First of all, write this matrix as it is. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. Just write under them, then you'll get to understand everything. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. This is the matrix A, right? Just I have written as it is. Then, now let's go to, so as I written same matrix A, now write column 1 and column 2 here. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay. These are the two columns now I have written here. Okay. Now write row 1 and row 2 down. Okay. Can you understand? So what is the row 1? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? And next, no need to write this. So just till here is enough. This method I'll say you later. It's a Sarah's rule they'll call. It's no need for you if you learn this trick. So till here I think it's clear to you. Just I have written 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1 is a matrix A. And 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1. Just two columns I have written here. Okay. Now let's match what is the middle term in this. In the first row, what is the middle term? This is the middle term, right? You can understand that. Right? So now, let's calculate that just in the math in which I said, okay? First of all, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, okay? First of all, multiply them in the math which I given to you. So 4 ones 4, 4 ones 4. So 4 plus 3 2 6, 6 1 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay? 3. Okay. You have understood till here. Just, okay, this is plus. Just attach minus now. Just please follow me, then you'll get to answer everything. So here 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay? You have understood this, I think so now? Is it clear for everyone now? So just first I have marked 3 and then I have did multiplication in this method, that is nothing but from left upper to the right down. Okay? So 1 to 4, 4 to 1, 2 to 3, 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay? Now from 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1. So let's multiply them. 4 3 is 12, 12 ones 12, 12 and 1 3 is 3, 3 ones 3, 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2. Okay, is it clear till here now? So therefore 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. Okay, 12 plus 3 also 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 3 14 plus 3 is nothing but 17. So minus 17 gives rise to minus 4. Okay, this is the answer. But you may have doubt that is it real? I won't. Many people will have, I think so. Let's clear it. Okay. So therefore, if you do as a method, I have said you plus 4 ones 4 minus 3 1, right? Minus 2. You'll take 1 minus 3 and then plus 3. You'll get 1 minus 4, right? So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. And then 1 minus 4 is minus 3 plus 3 9. Sorry. Minus 9. Right? Here. Do you understood now? 1 as this. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 9. Okay. Minus 3 into 3. Okay. So minus 9. Minus 9 plus 5. Minus 4. Therefore, it is equal. Therefore, we can see that more than this is maybe who are beginners or who can confuse some people. This is easy, but for me it is easy. Okay, it's your wish. It depends on you. Just keep your heart. Everything will be easy to you. And just now I'm going to tell you inverse of a matrix. Okay, I think so. Now you got it. This. So now let's discuss inverse. Okay. Okay. In just 60 seconds I am saying you. Then it will be easy to you. Okay. So let's take a matrix here. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is a 3 into 3 matrix. First of all, to find inverse, what I say, first of all, we need to find, as we know, A inverse is the formula of 1 by det A into adjoint A, right? Right? First of all, find det then. So, as I said you, I have before I said you one of the trick to det. You can find in that way or in this way, which will be easier to you and which will be complete easily to find an answer. In that way, you find. I think for me easy is this. Just plus 0, keep as is and minus 1, right? Then you'll get 1 minus 3, 3 is 9 plus 2, 2 minus 6. Therefore, the det A will be 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 8 minus 1 plus 8. 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 4 2 minus 8. Therefore, det is 0. If the det is 0, it is not possible to find inverse. So we can make small changes in this question. Do you understand now how to find? Just I'm marking minus for this. Okay. Do you understand? Now the A is 0, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 1. Now let's find det for this. That is just 0 as it is. Therefore, minus 1 into 1 plus 9 and minus 2 into minus 2 into just delete the respective row and column and you'll get 2 minus 3 to 6. Okay, now det A is equal to 9 plus 1 10 minus 10. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 4 2's minus into minus plus 4 2's are 8. So plus 8. Therefore, the det A is minus 2. Just keep it in your mind. Det A is equal to minus 2. Okay, you have understood how to find that now. Now let's find adjoint A, which will be easier to you how to find it. Okay. Just listen carefully. You are able to know how to find it. First of all, write this matrix as it is. Then 0, 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2, 3. Minus 3, 2, 1. This is the as it is matrix I have written here. Okay. Now just write column 1 and column 2 beside this matrix. 0, 1, minus 3. Right? Are you understanding? 1, minus 2, 2. Okay? And now just write row 1 and row 2 down. 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 1. 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 1. And then 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2. Okay? This will be. So now just delete delete this row of 0 and column. Okay? Just delete this first row and the first row and the first column. Then you'll get this. Okay? Are you understanding? Just first of all, I have written the same matrix, and then I have added 2 columns, and I have written 2 rows. Okay? Just row 1 and row 2. Okay? Till here it was clear, right? Now let's find. Sorry. So therefore, the adjoint A will be here. So we have now this, right? We have now this matrix, just minus 2, 3 till here. So now let's listen here. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 3 2s are 6, minus 6. Okay? Minus 2 minus 6, minus 8. Minus 8. Now here, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 5. Here, one thing you need to clearly listen is, here I am doing multiplication in the column wise, but I am writing here row wise. Okay? Till here you have understood, no? Just I am doing multiplication here column wise, and I am writing here row wise. Okay? So therefore, and next, as we have completed this, now this 3 minus 4, it's nothing but minus 1. And now here we have completed till here, we have completed this column and then these 2. So like this, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 1, minus 10. 0 minus 6 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 2 minus 0, minus 2. Here, 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 4. Here, minus 3 minus 0. Here, 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Okay? So, this is the adjoint A. Therefore, the inverse of A will be, you know, right? What will be the inverse of A? A inverse will be 1 by det A. What we got det A? Minus 2 into this. Okay? You have understood this, I think so. So, this is the easy method how you can find multiplication, determinant and inverse. So, if you have any doubts, please send it in the comment. Until then, bye. So, please, if you like this video, please like it, share and comment and subscribe this video. Okay, bye. Bye guys.